Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aisha if you're new here, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. So today I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial for you, because I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I filmed months and months ago, but since then some of the products that I use have changed slightly, and the way that I do it is a little different as well. So the products that I use are these four things here. So there's an eyebrow pencil, which I always use an eyebrow pencil, and this is just a really cheap one. It was 99p from my local beauty store, so nothing special. What I would recommend is never using a black one, because that can look too harsh. So this is like a dark brown color. Okay, I also use a concealer, so I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I use a darker shade. So before I used to use the little like tubs of concealers, and it was a MAC one, and it was really good, and I would still use it, but the shade, it kind of, you really had to blend it really well, otherwise you got that halo brow kind of thing, which I don't really like that. So I got this, and it's a darker shade, and you'll see when I apply it as well, like it's a much better match, and it just means that you're not going to get the halo effect, which, yeah, it's not cute. I use a rounded brush, as you can see there. This one's a little bit dead, but it does the job still. And then I also use a spoolie, which is so cheap. I think I got these from eBay. It was like from eBay, and it was like a pack of like 50 or something ridiculous for like £1 or something. So eBay is a good place to get that. So we'll get straight into it then. So what I start off by doing is just brushing up my eyebrows. And if you're blessed with sparse eyebrows like myself, comment down below so we can form our little no brow society. Okay, so just kind of try and neaten the brows up a bit. Just makes it a little easier to like work with, I guess. Okay, and then when you kind of do that, then just pick up your eyebrow pencil and then just start shaping the brows how you want it. Okay, and then once you've done the bottom bit, then what I do is I start from the bottom and then take it up to do the top part, like that. Now the reason, oh god, I'm getting close enough. The reason I do that is to kind of prevent that like harsh, blocky, like squared inner corner thing, which if that's the look you're going for, then obviously, you know, by all means feel free to do that. But for me, I like it to look a bit more natural on the inside. Okay, so once you do that, then just lightly do that inner corner and then just fill the brow. Okay, just like that. And then I'll proceed to do the left eyebrow now in the same manner. And guys, I was actually going to post a eyelash video today, showing you some super affordable lashes that I found online, but I really wasn't happy with the video, which is why I'm doing this instead. But hopefully next week I'll be able to refilm the video and then have that for you, because I've literally found some of the best eyelashes, and they're super cheap. And I think you can get them shipped to wherever you are in the world as well, so watch out for that video. Okay, so I finished shaping the brows. So now you just get your concealer and the rounded brush and basically just carve it out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Just squeeze the concealer onto the brush and then start carving out the shape. Okay, so I'll do the top first, and then I'll do the under part of my eyebrow now. Okay, and you can see that's being nicely carved into a clean eyebrow look. Okay, so once I've done that, then I go into the other eye and do the same thing. Okay, so there we have two clean brows. There we go. And then next what I do is, next what I'll do is I'll blend out the concealer. So before I start that, I get a cotton pad and I just wipe the excess concealer off of it, just because I always do that. I just think like when there's loads of concealer on it and you're trying to blend it, it just makes it harder to blend, so that's why I do that. So then yeah, I'll just literally start blending. Oh, sorry, nearly missed a step. So before I do that, I get my spoolie and then I will just brush this bit out a bit like this so that it kind of has a bit of a natural fade. Okay, just like that. And then I'll do the same, and it just helps to kind of give it a more natural look to it. Okay, like that, and then start blending. So just use the same brush and blend up. And you can just keep wiping it on the cotton pad if you need to, just to get rid of the excess. And then blend the other side. I really need to get a new brush. This brush is really dying. And then you're pretty much ready to then carry on with the rest of your face. And if you wanted to like just do the eyebrows and that's it, then just blend it a bit more. Something that I do have that you can use to further blend is this little tool here, and I just got this from Primark and it's so soft, but this is also another good one to like just help finish off the blending process if you needed to, just like this. So, but obviously if you were going to do like a full face of makeup, then your foundation would like blend out some more anyway. So yeah, this is literally how I do my eyebrows. I hope you found this video beneficial. If you did, give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. And remember guys, brows are sisters, not twins. As long as they don't look like this, you're okay. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you in my next video next week. Bye guys.